This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Annette Ladevid Day. Here is a wonderful brick ranch, just waiting for you. Kitchen has been updated, new Bosch dishwasher was just installed, and west/ the very large eat-in area. The formal dining room is great for a home office. It even has a built-in bookcase. The kitchen eat-in area opens up to the family room west/ beautiful wood ceiling, fireplace, build-ins and access to the deck in the fenced-in backyard. A very large living room west/ hardwood floors and fireplace greets you as you enter this great home. Down the extra wide hallway, you will find the roomy, updated hall bath, 2 good-sized bedrooms, and the primary bedroom west/ a full bath. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.